Hello kids. Today let's try small ABCD using 3 colors. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel.
Black color, green color, yellow color. Let's start. A is for ant. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for drum. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for igloo. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for potato. Q is for queen. R is for rat. S is for sunflower. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for extra. Y is for yellow. Z is for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.